I'm just showing you how to make proper coffee for tomorrow, because tomorrow we're having the first of a series of roundtables that we recorded with some cool people from Ireland, from Florida, and from Hawaii. So it's a series of 3 roundtables. The first one starts tomorrow. It was recorded with Gennaro I, Matthew Reese from What's Ripening, and Joshua Anderson from Yield Permaculture. So you should use a mocha pot to make coffee. That's the best coffee. Buy special coffee, grind it on the spot. Don't grind it beforehand, because that's gonna make it lose all of its qualities. So you're gonna need some coffee for tomorrow. And to join us, it's going to be a YouTube premiere. The videos have already been recorded, the talks have been recorded, but we're going to be watching them with you. We're going to be live on the chat, so you can chat with us and we can answer your questions. If there's anything that was said on the videos, if you've got further questions about it, you could just ask us on the chat. So make sure you be there. First one is going to be tomorrow at 19 o'clock Brazilian time. That's GMT -3, 7 p.m. Got your coffee ready? So let's get right into it. By the way, on Thursday, same time, we're going to have Eugene Curran from Ireland and Paul Soden, also from Ireland but living in Rio de Janeiro. And on Saturday we're gonna have Rob and Andy Cruz from the Kauai Food Forest in Hawaii. They've got an 8-year-old food forest they've been working on for a long time. So all of them were amazing talks, and I'll see you all tomorrow.